This video you will see how to add hyperlink in LibreOffice Writer. There are multiple ways to add hyperlink. To add hyperlink, first you will need to select the text using a mouse or a keyboard. After selecting the text, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard and press K and release the key. For Mac users, it is Command K. Here you will see the option of internet. Click on the internet and next to the URL you just have to type what you want. For example, I will type here youtube.com and then click on OK. So you will see a underline, that means the hyperlink is added, and when you hover to on the hyperlink text, you will see the hyperlink as well. You can also add hyperlink by selecting the text and by clicking on this insert hyperlink option. After clicking on this, you will see the same option. Just type the web address next to the URL and then click on OK. And if you want to remove this hyperlink, then you will need to select the hyperlink text using your keyboard, right click, and now here you will see the option of open hyperlink, edit hyperlink and remove hyperlink as well. So if you want to remove, you can click on remove hyperlink, or if you want to change the hyperlink, you can go to edit hyperlink and change the hyperlink from here. So to remove, I am clicking on remove hyperlink, and as you can see, the hyperlink is removed. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem, and don't forget to check out these useful videos shown on screen if you want to learn LibreOffice Writer quickly. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification icon